I'm going to put you through on how to use Risevest to protect your savings from Naira devaluation. Step 1. Understand the basic strategy. The core idea, straight from Risevest themselves. Rise invest your money in dollar-denominated assets. The implication of this is that devaluation immediately begins to work in your favor instead of against you. With more devaluation, the value of your investment increases. So instead of holding Naira that loses purchasing power over time, you are holding dollar assets that generally hold or gain value against Naira. Step 2. Fund your account and convert to dollar. Fund your wallet using Naira. And to fund your account, you navigate to the wallet section. Click on Fund, click on Bank Transfer, and click on Copied Account. Then you can either move to your bank account to make the payment. After successfully making the payment, you click on I have paid. Then to convert to dollar, you click on Swap Naira. Then you must know that your balance must appear before you can convert to dollar. Step 3. Choose an asset class that fits your goal. Move to the invest section. Check the investment plan that fits your goal. Risevest currently offer a free dollar-denominated option. Stock annual returns of 10 to 15% per annum according to the App Store listing. Fixed income. This plan returns 10% per annum and is designed to protect and preserve money in a secure, appreciating currency. Dollar vault, a lower risk option for capital preservation, paying up to 10% per annum in monthly dividend. Real estate, dollar denominated exposure to US rental properties. Click on wallet, navigate to the Naira wallet, and you can even earn up to 25% returns in Naira per annum by leaving your Naira in the vault. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to use Risevest to protect your savings from Naira devaluation.